Smugglers Run.
Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Malta? Malta, pick up the call. This is Malta. What is it, guard? Another ship out of commission. I have to contact Hondo. Don't bother Hondo. I have.
Over there, my door. To the left for me, please.
This is the group I've been waiting for. Yes. Come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is bad. Take it serious. I was going to set profitable. Think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult. We'll talk later. This is hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon, on loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all profits. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work in shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make Hondo some money.
Remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Repair test. Hit your flashing button. You better be faster or we can have real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. The Let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Those evidence are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. The pilot brakes. Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. The pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get up. Will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
We got great pirates.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All right, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy. It is time for you to go. Don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.